Hi everyone, this is Brian with Obedia, and in today's Ableton Live Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Ableton set and save all of the audio files that you use inside of it to make sure that your set is properly backed up in the case of a data loss or if you want to move that set to another computer. This is really easy to do. Let's dive right into it. I have my Ableton set here. It's all done, and as you can see, it has a large amount of samples and clips used in it. I also have a number of tracks, obviously. And it would be a bit of a nightmare to have to relink all of this if I were to lose everything. And of course, Ableton does have a utility to allow you to find files when they are lost. But you can save yourself a lot of headache by using the collect all and save function. So the first thing I like to do when I'm doing this is click on File and then select the option for Save Live Set As. Then I will save my live set under a new name. Generally, I do this at the very end of production, so I'll save it as the name of my song and final version or something like that. So give it a different name. Then you're going to click on File again and select the option under Collect All and Save. Now you're going to get this dialog box that is going to ask you which media files used in the project you want to be copied into the project. This includes files from the library, files from factory files from the library, files from other projects, and files from elsewhere, meaning files that are on your hard drive, and so on. I like to select yes to all of these because I want to back absolutely everything up. After I've done that, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to get a quick dialog box as Ableton thinks, and depending on how many files you have in your project, this can take a little while. They're going to need to be copied from all around your hard drive. But here's the great thing. When that is all done, open up the folder that you have your project stored in, and then you're going to notice that not only are you going to have a folder, of course, that is named after your project, you're going to have your .als file, your Ableton Live Set file, which will be a backup, of course, of your project. And then you're going to have a samples folder. And inside of this samples folder, you're going to have all of the loops that were imported into your session. You can have those that were processed, such as ones that you did reverse processing on or that you consolidated into one clip. And you're going to have all of your recorded clips as well. And the great thing about this is you're also going to have the ASD files, all of which tell Ableton how it should warp and retime your audio files. So this is a really quick, simple way to make sure that you've backed up your entire project. Now what you can do is when you're all done with this is you can back up that Ableton folder very easily to somewhere else on your hard drive, to a cloud backup, or anywhere of the like, to another hard drive, and be able to move this set to another computer. Of course, only other thing to remember there, of course, is make sure that on the other computer that you happen to be moving to, that you have all of the same plugins that you have on the one that you've been working on your project on. So there you go, guys. That's a quick tip for Ableton Live, hopefully going to help you in your workflow. Give us a call today and speak with an Obedia tutor like myself. Find out how we can help you to tame your technology. Visit us on the web at obedia.com or get us on Twitter at twitter.com/Obedia tutor, and of course on Facebook at facebook.com/Obedia tutor. We'll teach you how to tame your technology and get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. As always, I'm Brian with Obedia. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.